Hey guys, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be working on some things that I've been getting questions about. I've told you guys this year I'm going to be answering a lot of your questions and making videos based on what you want, because I am here to dish out quality content, premium content to satisfy what you want, right? So today's video we are going to be talking about how to edit your videos. Yes, I just made a video on different apps I use as a content creator and a business owner, and this particular video has overdue. Like, people have been asking me about how I edit my videos and have decided to create a video on it. So at the end of this particular video, you should know how to edit your video perfectly well, even as a beginner or as a pro. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Rachel Narbon, and on this channel I give you business owners tips, all the tips that you need to grow your business. I also give you social media and content creation tips, lifestyle vlog, and every other thing in between. The goal of this channel is to add more value to your life. So if you're new here, do well to subscribe to the channel, join the family, join the Raystars, turn on bell notification to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Without further ado, let's dive into the video of today. So I mentioned in my previous video, like I said, that the editing apps I use currently to edit all my videos, talking about my YouTube videos, my TikTok videos, my Instagram videos, my Facebook Reels videos, the app I use is CapCut. Yes, I know I've made a video on this channel, I think that should be 2 years ago, where I talked about the app I use in editing my videos. After that, I found a new love. Yes, you know, it's okay to fall in love with something and later realize that, oh, that wasn't good for me, and you later found the love of your life and you decided to stick to it. Yes, that is what it is right now for me. Between InShot and CapCut, which do you prefer? I know some persons still use, I know some of my friends that still use InShot to edit their video. What do you love the most about CapCut, and what do you love the most about InShot? Would you prefer editing with your InShot, or you would love to try CapCut? Please just let me know in the comments. I want to know if I should go back to my old love or I should continue with the love of my life right now. Just let me know in the comment section. If you want to learn how to use InShot, I have that video on my channel. Yes, just check how to edit your YouTube videos and you'll find it. But for today, we are looking at CapCut. So we are going to be using CapCut, like I mentioned earlier. You can download CapCut on your phone, on your Android phone, on your iPhone, on your system. Click on CapCut. One thing about this app is that it's very flexible to use, and if you install the app, you just see new projects and everything here will be playing. We are having a lot of videos here because I've already started using mine. Okay, so what we need to do is to get the video we want to edit. So you go on and click on new project, pick the video you want to edit. So let me take this particular video. I say I want to edit this video.
Hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video,
more than one video. How do I do that? You just go, you select one, you select two, right? So I've selected two. You can pick as many as you want, right? So I'll just go on and add the video. After adding the video, one thing about video editing that you need to understand is that video editing is more of cut and join, cut, delete, join, cut, delete, join. So that's one thing about video editing. So in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can edit this as a beginner and also as a pro. Okay, so here is our video. If you look beneath, like at the bottom, you see edit, audio, text, overlay, effect, aspect ratio, filter, and others, background, stickers, adjust, right? So you're going to work with each of these things. Each of them have their function. in every video. First of all, this video is in YouTube format, which is landscape format. It's not in portrait format, right? That's why it's like this. If you're editing for your YouTube shorts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you can just go and select. But we are coming to that. So before you edit everything, always make sure you highlight the video. How do you highlight the video? Click on the video, like this particular clip here. Click on it until it shows white. And if you look at the main screen, this main screen serves as the monitor. This is where the work is being done. This is where it's being displayed for you to see. All right. So there are other options. You can add text, you can add audio. Okay, so you highlight the video. If you notice, the first thing at the bottom is split. You see speed, you see animation, you see style, you see delete, and there are lots more. So you split is like cutting. When you get to the point that you want to take off, you just split. After that, you can also speed up if you want the video to be faster. Animation, you can use your text and add other things to it, your style, how you want it. You can delete this video if you don't want. So I can delete if I don't want. Enhance if you want to work on your audio, your voice is fine. Then we have other functions, right? There are a lot more to do. Like most of the videos you see with CapCut, you can achieve all the video editing that you've been seeing online. So I'm going to teach you that in this video. Okay, first of all, let's look at the split. So looking at the monitor, the video is here. It's not looking all that okay. If I click on play now,
hey guys, hello.
If you notice, I wasn't talking at first.
Hey guys, hello.
So what I'm going to do, I will just cut from where I want. So I started talking from here. Remember this white bar, where the white bar is where I started talking from. So what I will do is to click on split. Always remember to highlight before you select, then you split. Now I've split the video, and it's showing that this is highlighted, this other part is highlighted, and I don't want this part to be highlighted. Like I don't want to take off the part that is showing white. I will just come and click here, then I delete. I click on delete. There's another way of doing this. I'm going to show you. All right.
Hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube.
Edited the video, we've cut out that
part. Hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel.
So
in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your Canva designs, how to design whatever you want, your flyer, your logo, the app I'll be using for this.
So now there is an error somewhere and I want to cut out.
The app I'll be taking is the app I'll be using.
So you notice, so what I'll need to do is to click to where I want to cut out, highlight, allow the white to show, split. So I want to show you the second method of cutting now. Remember the other one we highlighted with split, then we now deleted. Now I don't want to delete. I will just move it. Okay, let's play.
The app I'll be using for this video is Canva app.
Okay. So since it's long, I'll move it like this. Move it to the left because that's where I want the video to. That's where I want it to go from. I'll play
Canva
again.
app.
So here we can play like this.
The app I'll be taking is Canva app.
You so notice Canva what just happened now. So that is how it works. Is either you highlight, you delete it off, or you scroll. So these are the two ways you cut out your videos. Okay, so let's move down to the next, which is we've succeeded in knowing how to split. Let's move down to the next, which is speed. Let's say you want your video to be a bit faster, or you want to talk fast, or you want the music to be fast. That is where speed comes in. You click on you highlight the video first. Always remember to click on this edited panel, highlight, and look at the monitor. Make sure that the green is showing around it before you edit. So you highlight, you click on speed at the bottom, which is the second item at the bottom, speed. Then you click on normal. Here is either you make it a slow-mo or you make it faster. That is what it means. So if you're taking it to the positive side, if you're taking it to where 1 times 2 times is, it means you want it faster. If you're taking it backward, it means you want it slow, like this. so it's slow. If you want it faster, you move it depending on the speed you want.
Do your Canva designs, how
depending on the speed you want, right?
So I'll be using is Canva. I don't want to take my time because this video.
I need to show you something. Look at the top under the video. You see an arrow. That's the undo and redo icon. So I'm going to undo this because I don't want it. I'll just use the arrow and go back. Yeah, I don't want any of this. Let's highlight again and check out the next one. Delete. If you want to delete the whole of this video, so long as it's highlighted, you click on delete, everything is going off. Next, audio. If you want to add audio, if you want to add music, if you want to add sound, funny sounds to your video, you click on audio. At this point, you don't need to highlight your video like this again. You just click on audio, and you add sounds on your phone, sounds from TikTok. You can select any of them and add it. You can as well extract sounds from video. You can extract sounds from videos. Let's say there's a particular video that you saw the sound, you love the sound and you want the sound. You can extract sounds from video, right? There's also voiceover, where you can add your voice if you want to add voiceover. You know what voiceover is? Talking over a video, talking over a picture, or talking over anything. So that is what voiceover is. So like this video now, if I want to add voiceover, I'll just click on voiceover and record, press and hold. Hello guys, my name is Rachel Nabon. I'm talking about CapCut video editing today. Hope you enjoy it. So now I'm done. I'll click on the mark here and go back to play what I just did.
Hey guys,
hello guys, my name is Rachel Nabon.
Channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how.
So that's how it works. Like that's how voiceover works. So I'm going to take it back now. Let's try sounds. So this, I'm using an iPhone. You can get sounds from here using your TikTok. You can log in your TikTok from here and get the sounds from your TikTok, but this time you need your data to be on. You can also get sounds from the extracting from music, from videos. You can also get from your device, that's from your files. Like iPhone users, when you download videos, it goes to your file. You can get those music. Then when you download music, it goes to your file, so you can get those things there and you add it to your video. So that's how you add sound to your video. Okay, when you're done, you click on the arrow pointing backward. So we are going back to audio. The next is adding text to your sound, to your video. If you want to add text to your video or to your picture, all you need to do, you don't need to highlight at this point. There's text here. You click on text, add text. You add your text, add text. So you just go ahead and type what you want, like Rachel, just like what you guys always see on my videos, like Rachel, right? So you go ahead and select the style you want. This is the regular one I use a lot, and I just adjust it. Use your hand, your both fingers, to hold it to adjust to the size you want. If you want it really bold, you also use it too and make it bold. So this is how you add text to your video. So I have a class on video editing. If you want to learn more advanced way of editing video, how to get captions, like as you're talking, those write-ups will be on your video, how to clone yourself, how to add other things like overlays, how to have a preset like your video having the same color, different ways of editing, pro kind of editing. If you want to learn more about that too, how to convert your text to speech, how to convert your audio to text, all those kind of stuff. So I teach that in a class. If you're interested, you can just send me a DM on Instagram. The class is not expensive. It's video editing class. If you just send me a video editing class on Instagram, I'm going to put you through how to edit like a pro, both on your system and on your phone, both on your laptop and on your phone. So I'm going to teach you how to edit more of that. There's more to editing. If I continue explaining and explaining, we are not going to leave here today. That's why I decided to put everything in a class where you will learn and also have access to ask me questions when needed, and you also get guidance. And I also check your editing. You submit your tasks, I check your editing to see where you're doing well, where there need to be correction. So if you're interested, just send me a DM. All right, let's continue with our video editing free class. Okay, so we also have the aspect ratio. This aspect ratio now is when the kind of video you want. So I said before that this video is a YouTube video. If I want it like a TikTok in TikTok format, I'll just click on this TikTok icon here, and this is TikTok format. If I want it to be full, I just use my finger to size it to where I want. So it's going to
guys,
be
hello,
like this.
you're
I'm
welcome
very
to
sure
my
you've seen
YouTube
some
channel.
of my videos.
So in today's video,
like videos
I'm going to show you how to do your Canva designs, how to design
if you want
whatever
Instagram
you want, your
format
flyer,
too, you click on Instagram, and this is Instagram format, and that's what you have. This is YouTube format, and a lot of formats that you can always switch to. So this is how this thing works. It's something that you can learn, and it's even better you learn from someone that can guide you. That's why I say you can enroll for my class. All right, let's get back to our video. The next is overlay. So how does overlay works? Overlay is when you want to add picture to picture, or add picture to video, or add video to video. Yes, that's what overlay does. So I can be
hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube
and
channel.
add something else. So while I'm talking, I can add something. Maybe I'm saying something, I can add a picture or a video of that thing. So how do you go about it? I click on overlay, add overlay, then you pick either a picture or a video. So me, I'm going to pick a video now. Let me add this video right here. So I want to add this video to my video. I want it to be somewhere, like if I want to do a tutorial, I'm describing something. This is how it is.
Hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video,
all right, there's another method you can actually use for overlay. Let's say I want the whole thing to align with the video I'm doing. So I have to pick the format of the video I'm doing.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to
sister's YouTube video,
perfect
right? So let's say I want to add this video to my listing. So while I'm talking, I can use my finger to align it to the proper size. So while I'm talking, I'll decide to mute this. While I'm talking at the background, remember my video is still at the background. While I'm talking, I can.
Guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you
but there's another video playing in front.
Your Canva design.
So this is how it works, right?
Whatever you want, your flyer, your logo.
So guys, this video is already long, like extremely longer than what I expected. That's the reason why I mentioned that video editing is not something you do in a 12-minute video. It takes a longer time, right? Okay, before I go, let me show you one more thing. Let's say you made your video and the volume is low and you want to increase the volume. This is what you do. You highlight the video and search for volume. So there's volume here. You increase your click on volume, you increase it.
Hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going.
If you want to reduce it too, fine, you can also reduce it, right? So
hey guys, hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your Canva designs, how to design whatever you want, your flyer, your logo, your flyer, your logo, your banners, whatever, creating a template for yourself, how to do your thumbnails. I'm going to show you in this video because it's going to be a tutorial. And the app I'll be taking is the app I'll be using is
this is how it works. So I have to stop here. If you want to
for this video,
if you want to enroll for my video editing class, you can send me a DM, and like I said, after the class I will always be there to answer your questions. Where you don't understand, I will guide you on how to do it. Video editing is something that you will love to do. If you start doing it yourself, you'll see that it will save you a lot of cost paying people to start editing your videos for you. So I will advise you sacrifice and pay for the class because it's not that much. Or it's time for you to export your videos. But before you export your videos, always check the last part of your videos if you've removed the watermark. So here's the watermark, highlight and delete. Make sure it's off. So when you're done, it's time for you to export your video. So how do you export your video? If you look at the top right, there is an arrow, right? The frame where the video is normal. So you click on the arrow, that's the export, and it will start counting. So while it's counting, you don't need to close the app. Leave it on until it finishes counting to 100.
I hope
you were able to learn one or two from this video. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Let me know if you would try using CapCut. All right.